The next thing that I want to show you is how to click on the drop down in the filter without using your mouse. So it'll be your keyboard also. This is another way to be more efficient with selecting values in your filter. Let's say that I want to filter on Charlene right here. She drives a CRV and her last name is L3. So I go up here to the first name header, and then I hold Alt and press the down arrow. So it'll open up the drop down. And then let's say, I want to search for Charlene and I don't want to, click on the checkboxes. If I want to go to search, instead of clicking with my mouse, I can type the letter E. I don't know why they chose E, but it'll bring you to the search box, and then you type, or I'll type her name, Charlene or Char, and it should pop up. Once I see that Charlene is selected, there's a check next to it, I'll press enter for OK, and then what I should see is that Charlene will only show up in the table. Boom, there you go. Now, if I want to clear what's in the filter, I'll do the same thing. So I'll hold Alt, hold it, don't press Alt, and then down, and then arrow, use your arrow keys to go down to select clear filter from first name, and then all of the names should come up. There you go. Now, let's say that you want to select multiple names and you don't want to use the search functionality, but you want to uncheck and check the boxes in the list. So let's use a different example. Let's go to the car column. So hold Alt, press down, and then use your arrow keys to go down to this section. Let's say that I want to show only 4Runner and this 4Runner and some truck. Okay. This I'll keep, it's checked. This I want to uncheck. So I have my I have Civic highlighted, and then press the space bar and it'll uncheck it. So I press the space bar. I want to uncheck CRV also. Press the space bar. Space bar, space bar, space bar. This one I'll keep, this one I don't. So space bar. So now that I have 4Runner and some truck selected, I'll press enter for OK, and then all of the 4Runner and some truck will show up in the data.